external bell and how to enable internal and external bell. By default in all the devices, internal bell will be enabled, but external bell is optional. In many speed-based speed-fail devices it will be enabled, but in some more devices it will not be. If it is not enabled, then we have to go for firmware upgradation or firmware customization. So in some firmware packages it has external bell option, and as per the device which has an relay output also. Relay which triggers the external bell like school bells or college bells. So now we'll see how to enable it. We'll enter menu. Here option personalize. Here we have an option called bell schedules. Here we can create. So new bell schedules, all bell schedules options. So in new bell schedules we can create new bell. So first option is bell status. If we enable this, the bell symbol will be enabled in the front screen. Second one is the bell time. We can select the time. The third option is repeat. So if we have a week of 5 days, we can select the 5 days, and all these 5 days, what are the times we have selected, the bell will start ringing. Then bell type. Here we have three options: internal bell, internal and external bell. Internal bell means only the internal ringtone will ring. External bell, only the external relay. Third option, both internal and external bell. Then ringtone. So we have nearly 10 different ringtones. These ringtones will be played in the device. If we need to add any customized ringtone, we can add that too. Then third one is internal bell delay. We can set the internal bell delay. So 5 seconds once, it automatically continues ringing. External bell delay, 20 seconds is there. We can select as 5 seconds or let it be as 20 seconds. Then all bell schedules. So here I have created two schedules. Then in case in colleges or schools there will be multiple schedules. Morning 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30. Like as per their hour, they can create a different schedules in this. And as per that schedule, automatically the bell will start ringing. Then this is options. In this option, external bell relay will be there. We have to enable this. By default, it will be in disabled mode. We need to select NC1 or NC2, which means normally closed 1 or normally closed 2. In devices, there will be two relays. Some device only one relay will be there. So as per that, we have to enable it. And we need to connect the external bell to that particular relay which we are going to use. And now we can set a particular time. So we can go for a new bell schedule and we'll enable this bell status. Then bell time we can give for 2:8 it is. We can give 2:10. Okay. See, here the bell symbol is there. In the top corner there will be the bell symbol. Now we'll wait for 2:10. Now the bell has started ringing for 2:11 and the buzzer is also started ringing. Here instead of external bell, I have connected an external buzzer here. So I have given as a 20 seconds. So till 20 seconds continuously the buzzer will start ringing. If we can change to 5 seconds or 10 seconds also. And for the connection of external bell, and here we are using 12 volt DC. So same 12 volt buzzer I have connected. We can use 12 volt external bell also. That will be having a plus 12 volt and ground. So these things we have to connect to our speed-based speed-fail device. In the speed-based speed-fail device, we will be having NC1, NO1 and common. So it will be here. So in this terminal we have to connect. Here it's NC1, common and NO1. Since we have selected NC1, at the particular time this NC1 relay will be get on. So NO1 we have to use. In NO1 I have connected buzzer positive, and in common we have connected the power supply positive, and the buzzer negative we have connected to buzzer to the power supply negative. So this is the connection for the external bell. If the connection is perfect and we have selected internal and external bell, at the particular time perfectly the bell will start ringing. So this is the working of internal and external bell. This can be mostly used in